So hello everyone, today we are going to discuss a question from JEE Advanced 2023 which is from the organic chemistry, and it is a paper 2 question. And in this question what has been asked is the reaction of the 4-methyl oct-1ene having the mass 2.82 gram with the HBr in the presence of C3H5CO whole twice O2 gives the two isomeric bromides in the ratio 9:1 ratio with a combined yield of 50%. Of these, the entire amount of the primary alkyl bromide was reacted with the appropriate amount of diethylamine followed by the treatment with the aqueous K2CO3 to give a non-ionic product S within the 100% yield. The mass in gram of the S obtained is, so it should be, answer should be the 1791 milligram. How to do this? We have P, which is a given compound which has the mass of 2.82, so we can divide the molar mass, which is 162 gram per mole. We will get the moles as the 0.02 moles. It is reacted with the HBr in the presence of peroxide, so anti-Markovnikov will follow and this type of product should be formed. So now, as in the question is saying, the isomeric bromide in a 9:1 ratio. So 9:1 ratio of these two types of compound should be formed. 9, the major will be anti-Markovnikov and the minor will be the Markovnikov. So 9:1 ratio will be formed, and the yield is 50%. So because the yield is the 50%, so what will happen is 0.02 moles of this P should form 0.02 moles of this overall compound. But because the ratio is 9:1, that's why the 0.02 9 by 10 times is 0.0018 moles. 0.018 moles should form. But because the yield is 50%, that's why we have to calculate the 50% of this 0.018, which is 0.0009 moles. Now, if you see here, what has been said is the entire amount of primary alkyl bromide was reacted with an appropriate amount of diethylamine. So we have reacted here diethylamine, reacted with diethylamine, and then after that aqueous K2CO3 is added to this. So we give the non-ionic compound. So when we react it with this, the non-ionic compound will look like this. So this should be formed, and this, because it is a 100% yield, so 0.009 moles of this will form 0.009 moles of this compound. Now when we calculate the mass, the molar mass of this should be 199. Here I have calculated it. So 199, when we multiply this 199 with this, we will get the 1.791 gram, which is in milligram 1791 gram. That's why the answer should be the 1791 gram. That's why the answer is this. Thank you so much for listening. Hope you understand the solution. If you have any doubt or query, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you so much.